Take a deep breath. And what do you smell? A Florida beach. This is January 9th. And after a lot of mishaps, we finally got down here. And we will be taking our cruise. Bruce broke off a tooth and he went to the dentist, and the dentist put a new cap on it, temporary cap, and then he broke some more off and the whole tooth fell apart. So he had to go back. Well, he was going to have to go back anyway, but he was hoping he would have a cap put on. And there wasn't enough time before we left, so he had the tooth pulled. And then a filling on the bottom came off. Fortunately, he was able to get that one refilled. So, yeah, we had our problems, but we got down here. This is our first night of camping in Fernandina Beach, because it has not been warm enough at night. And I think we'll be okay tonight. We brought our heavy sleeping bag. We have an electric heater. I believe we have electric at our site. Bruce shaking his head, yes, we do. And we're going to go eat some shrimp. See you all later. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.